I'm Turk Strongman, current resident at Mind Voltage Institute. Thank you for selecting this video on awareness and use of your vital energy battery. Before I continue, if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, then please do so right now. At the same time, activate the notification bell feature to be apprised of our new uploads here at Mind Voltage. Just below your media player window, you'll see the thumb up icon. Please click on that to instantly and easily share the joy of this channel with others. And in the video description area, you will see donation by PayPal information. Please make a note of it. And please donate. Awareness and use of your vital energy battery. Terms like frequency, voltage, current, power, and battery all indicate references to electricity, electromagnetism. They also are quite useful terms in talking about vital energy, vital force, life force, prana, vril. They are very useful terms because they are accurate terms at the essential level of affairs. Life force and electricity are close cousins with one another. In fact, for most conversation about the two, they are synonymous with one another. So we are now in the ascending Dwapara Yoga, according to Indian astrology, a corrected rendition of it. Mathematically, it works out. We are in the ascending Dwapara Yoga, which means various things to us. We've been in this for nearly 100 years now, so one characteristic, one main feature of the ascending Dwapara Yoga is humankind's discovery and use of electricity. We don't yet know exactly what it is, but we are aware of its effects, and we can use them, heat and light. Now, battery. A battery is a storage center for energy. Electrical energy. A transformer is a step up or step down variety of a condenser. Transformers on telephone poles are condensers. They also transform the power level coming out with respect to what's coming in. They step up the power. They are power transformers. All right, but they are also condensers because they do store power, and that is why they blow so violently when they blow up on the telephone pole. They are batteries. Electrical batteries. A life force battery it works the same way. It's just the life force aspect of electricity. And I'm not attempting here to make a distinction, to point out similarities and differences. I'm saying we're using quite applicable terminology here. So, here's a way to become more aware of and intentionally use your storage of life force. Let's say you're riding a bicycle, and at first when you're going up a hill, you pant. It's non-rhythmic breathing. It's largely non-abdominal breathing. It's not good, it's not healthy breathing. You're just trying to catch up with what your body's doing. Then you reach a point at which your breathing regularizes, it normalizes. You do it with your closed mouth. It's more abdominal, it's more controlled, and it's much more rhythmic. No matter what your body is doing, you're not struggling to catch up. You are in real time supplying your tissues, your physical tissues, in real time with vital energy that you're breathing in. And your breathing will be much more like this. Regardless of your body's needs, yet rising and falling requirements for energy use. Now, we want to go one step further. We want to move past conceptualizing and visualizing and experiencing our inhalations, the life force coming in with our inhalations, going on a direct transmission line, so to speak, traveling directly, being transmitted directly to your tissues in real time. Move beyond that and apply a middle ground in there, like from inhalation, between inhalation, or the intake of vital energy, to its use by our tissues. There stands in between those two storage. Where and exactly how, not the point of this video. Just the idea of battery hood, storage hood. Okay? Similarly to a diesel locomotive, how it works. The diesel engines generate electrical power, but it does not go directly to driving the train. It is not transmitted directly to the motors that run the wheels of the locomotive. It is put into storage batteries. That's where it goes. The majority of the contents of the locomotive's mass is batteries. The batteries transmit electrical power to the motors that drive the wheels, or to the whatever they would be called. No, never mind. Motors that drive the wheels. All right. So in between the engines that produce the power, the generators, the diesel generators, and the actual turning of the wheels, there is storage that takes place. So, and it's also kind of like a bagpipe, the instrument, a bagpipe. You blow air into a bag, which stores the air, and then compressing the air with your elbow, compressing that storage bag with your elbow forces the air out through the pipes, and the sound is created that way. It's the idea of the storage. Okay. As you're riding your bicycle, here's the next step in thinking like this and conceiving, experiencing, and intending to take place, rather than your air, your vital force that comes in with your inhalations going directly to your bodily tissues for immediate usage. It goes into storage. It's stored, it's built up, and from that storage, from that battery effect, is sent to the tissues that need it. Therefore, as you are breathing rhythmically and your body is using energy, right, the two don't have to be in sync with one another. If your legs are going like mad, or you're going up a hill, your breath doesn't have to reflect that. It's not directly associated with it, in fact. What is stored up and available is being drawn from. What is going into that is another matter. What is going into that storage is another matter. You are rhythmically putting energy into that storage. Your legs are rather at quite a different pace quite often, using it. I want you to become aware of this. I want you to intend this. I want you to envision this. I want you to feel it happening. It's not an immediate and direct in and then used. No, it's in, stored, It's in and put into storage. Phase 1. And 2, used from storage and byproducts exhaled back out. That's phase 2. Used and byproducts exhaled back out. Okay. It's like 2 phases. All right. I want you to become more aware of this and use it. This is Dwapara Yuga thinking. This is coming to terms with the relationship among vital energy and electrical power, electrical energy. The same principles at work, and remember, at the fundamental level of affairs, levels of relevant affairs, the vital force and electricity really are, for all practical purposes here, for the purposes of a discussion at this level of affairs anyway, the same thing. Okay? The more you become aware of this, the more you utilize it, the more you experience it, that's really the way it's going on. Things are happening here. The more efficiently you can improve its action. And that's what we're after. Now, this will have many uses. This is a technique that builds methods of action, that build a way of being. Just one little piece. Get familiar with it. Practice it. That's the end of this video's information. To repeat though, if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, take a moment right now to do it. At the same time, activate the notification bell feature to be apprised of our new uploads here at Mind Voltage Institute. Share the joy of the channel easily and instantly with others by giving the video a thumb up. And please make note of that donation by PayPal information that's in the video description area. And please donate. I'm Turk Strongman, current resident at Mind Voltage. Be well.